Siya ng, di ba ayaw niya ng IG, ayaw niya ng pagalitan nga ako, di ba? Pero nung sumama siya sa yung ginawa yung namin yung Moon Magic Hurt sa Atok Benguet with Direct Gabby Ramos, nagbabantay siya talaga dun sa, what do you call this, sa monitors. Eh, syempre alam naman ng lahat na apo siya ni Pablo Santiago. The late Pablo Santiago. So I think yun talaga nakuha niya. Nakuha niya yung sa Tito Roel niya, Tito Randy niya na what do you call this, nagde-direct. So I think doon din siya. Pero ayaw niya magpa-picture talaga or anything.
Miss Clau, speaking of that, alam naman natin na napag-usapan yung latest vlog mo. Kamusta kayo ni, ngayon? The ex.
Well, ngayon, I really can't talk about it anymore. Kasi, parang nag-iisip ako because lately ang daming nangyari sa mom ko, sunod-sunod.
Oh,
Tapos,
then?
she's okay. She had an accident sa market. Nahulog siya sa escalator. What? And she's still in pain. And then, last week, we were in Subic for how many days because nilooban yung bahay namin at yung bahay ng kuya ko.
Saan?
In New West Talayaan, sa Subic. So, binalikan for yung third day or yung fourth day, binalikan pa rin, broad daylight, ninakawan kami.
Ano
Grabe.
Lahat ng regalo ng ate ko, kasi when I ran for counselor doon, yung ate ko, ang gift niya sa mom ko, pinaayos niya ulit yung bahay ng dad ko doon at mom ko sa Subic. And talagang niransak yung buong place. And we had to rush my mom to the hospital in Subic. So ngayon, inuuna ko muna alagaan yung mom ko bago muna yung mga kaso-kaso na yan. So parang, ang ko muna is yung mom ko ng muna.
And now I know Santino and Sabina, they're quite old. How are they accepting things? How did you explain it to them? How did they move on?
Matagal na nilang alam naman. Kasi I really don't talk to them about yung kung ano talaga yung nangyayari or but more or less alam na nila kasi syempre nababasa nila yan, alam mo yun. Pero of course sila, syempre they're very supportive na whatever you have to do, mom, you just go and do it. But now syempre nag-iisip ako talaga mabuti kung kasi dapat unahin ko muna yung mom ko. So ko muna sa ngayon, isasantabi ko muna kasi I really have to focus on my mom.
And also you're doing a movie, you're also going back talaga and being active. And just a little bit of segue dito sa film na to. Bakit may pideya? Nagulat kami, may pideya sa taas. So,
yes. So, also part rin sila sa mga what do you call this, kasama sa movie. Kasi maraming yung movie, it's about merong LGBTQ, may everything, may past, may present, may future.
What's the title?
And it's called Sinag.
Sinag.
Yeah. And it's going to be directed by Direct Elaine Crisostomo. And produced by what do you call this, Miss Aida Patana. She's from she owns M Talents from Cebu, and yun nga, tagal na kami magkaibigan talaga. And yun, lahat ng mga friends namin, even yung mga friends ko in the business, will play like parts.
Wow. And
malalaking artista, but will play small parts.
Personal ba silang in-invite?
Yes, to support talaga.
But it's curious kami, no? Kasi syempre may fairies. Tapos may pideya. Hallucination ba ito? Ano ba yung story?
Actually, i-explain pa lang ni Direk yung story. Hindi ko siya ma-explain mabuti kasi ngayon pa rin nahihirapan ako sa lalim ng Tagalog.
Okay. Kaya mo yan.
Oo, yun yung pag-aaralan ng mabuti. This is the first time yan. I'm also gonna be parang playing a role of yung fairy. Pero maliit lang naman yung role, pero it's yung support talaga.
Preparation sa movie?
I think siguro stress.
Umayag ka tayo sa stress?
Yeah, so much stress. Because of yun nga, yung happiness kay mom, sa mom ko.
And nalooban pa kayo.
Nalooban pa kami. And yun nga, so sana nga yung mga nakaupo sa Subic at Olonga po, sana naman mas maging vigilant kayo kasi I almost lost my mother because of this.
Hindi pa nahuli.
May inside job yan. Outside job yan, oo. I mean, para balik-balik ka rin.
Excuse me, wait,
Last question na lang. Question lang.
Miss Clau, yun nga, no, nag-open up ka rin kay OG about your bout in rehab before.
Yes,
Okay,
oo.
can we, are we gonna talk about it? What do you wanna say about, may connection din ba to sa film na to?
Walang connection at all. This film, I think, will parang address a lot of things, like lahat, mental illness, depression. Yung rehabilitation na pinuntahan ko wasn't for drugs, but was for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder,
Because
of the traumas that na
Siguro
pinagdaanan.
kailangan linawin yung plot kasi
Oo.
ang lumalabas.
Pag kasi sinabing rehab, drugs eh.
Oo.
Hindi ganun ang rehab talaga. And it's nice kasi meron na yata tayo ditong ganun, yung for yung
PTSD.
yeah, I think somewhere in
Mental.
Palawan. Oo,
Where
so
did you go?
I went to Ko Chang and I went to Chiang Mai.
Wow.
Thailand.
The first one was in both in Thailand.
How are
And
you?
I'm okay. Of course, yung PTSD, that's a trauma na nandyan talaga for life na kailangan talagang i-address. And I'm just glad that I have good doctors, I have a good therapist, and
Right now, do you have, kumbaga, no, yung mga maintenance for mental health?
yes, I do. I do have antidepressants.
Until now?
Yes, until now. Tapos they take it out like 3 months in and then 3 months off, ganyan. So,
Siguro ito yung magiging advocacy.
at yeah, na matagal ko naman, never ko naman dinenay. Never ko naman dinenay. And if it will save a lot of people's lives, then it's okay. Kahit na mabash ka pa, ako or ano, if it will save at least a few people's lives, then okay.
Clau, thank you very much.
Alright,
Thank you.
Okay, let's